If you're working in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint for the web and you want to quickly catch up on recent changes and comments, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a fast and simple way to stay on top of collaboration, especially when multiple people are editing the same file. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your file in PowerPoint Online, Word for the web, or Excel for the web, depending on the document you're working on. The process is very similar across all three Microsoft 365 web apps, so once you know it in one, you'll feel much more confident using it in the others. After your file loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the comments area, and that's the first place you want to check if you're trying to catch up on what's new. Click on Comments from the top right. This opens the comment panel where you can see feedback, questions, and updates from other collaborators. If there are any active comment threads, you'll be able to read them here in one place without having to search through the entire document. This is especially useful when you've been away from a shared file and need a quick overview of what people have been discussing. Now, take a moment to review the comments. If you want to respond, simply click Reply, type your response, and post it. This keeps the conversation organized inside the file, so everyone can see the context of each comment thread. Replying directly is usually the best option when you want to answer a question, clarify a point, or confirm that a change has been made. Next, if you want to post a new comment of your own, use the Post option. This lets you add fresh feedback or notes for your team. It's a good way to keep communication clear, especially if you're reviewing a presentation, spreadsheet, or your document with several people. In collaborative work, comments can save a lot of back and forth messages because everything stays attached to the exact part of the file it refers to. If there are many comments, click See More Comments so you can continue reviewing the full discussion. Sometimes only the most recent or visible comments appear first, so expanding the list helps you catch everything you may have missed. This is a very important step if you're joining a project late or coming back after other people have already made edits. Now let's talk about resolving comment threads. Click the three dots on a comment to open more options. From there, choose Resolve Thread. This is useful when a comment has been addressed and no further action is needed. Resolving threads helps clean up the comment list and makes it easier to focus on the remaining items that still require attention. After that, click Catch Up to watch changes. This feature is incredibly helpful because it shows you updates that happened while you were away. Instead of manually hunting through the file to find what changed, Catch Up gives you a quicker way to review recent activity and get back up to speed. If you're collaborating often, this can save a lot of time and reduce confusion. You can also click Version History if you want to review earlier versions of the file. This is where you can see how the document has changed over time, and it's especially valuable if you want to track edits, compare versions, or understand who made a specific update. Version history is one of the most useful tools in Microsoft 365 for web because it gives you a clearer picture of the editing timeline. Then click on any version you want to inspect. Depending on the app and the file, you may be able to view what changed or restore a previous version if needed. That makes version history a great backup tool, especially when a document has been edited by multiple people and you want to make sure nothing important was lost. So, in simple terms, the workflow is open your file, check comments, reply if needed, post new comments when necessary, use See More Comments to expand the discussion, resolve completed threads, click Catch Up to review changes, and use version history whenever you need to go deeper into the edit timeline. Once you get used to these tools, staying current with shared files becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft 365 tips, web app walkthroughs, and easy productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.